Have you been to Sri Lanka before?
No, we
No.
were planning to.
Yeah, you
We
should.
were planning to, but we didn't go.
Last year we
You're in
went.
the Maldives.
Yeah. It's my birthday, 3 days. I'm in Maldives. What can be better? Look at the place where I'm standing. It's just amazing. Although it's not very cold in here and the weather is sweaty, but it's pretty cool. What is this car called?
Golf cart.
Okay.
Now they make taxi.
Okay. Look at someone coming down the sky. It's amazing.
Todo lo que vea, todito, todito. Que vea, todito, todito.
अभी मुझे रियली समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ, बट so it's 12 midnight. I am standing here in Maldives. It's officially 9th of Feb, right? It's 9th of Feb 2026. 9 months ago, I stepped away from Instagram. And वो इसलिए because I needed a space to rethink about my time, about my life, because my time is precious. Since I was 16 years of age, I've been living my life the way I wanted, like truly in all senses. And for the last 1.5 years, it was feeling like Instagram was taking over my time. It's not about criticizing the Instagram users and also not about criticizing any platform, but I wanted to choose something that feels more aligned with who I am. Basically, Instagram was all about consumption, and consumption in a way that it was rotting my brain. Because see, whatever you see on Instagram, it's not important that it's for you. See, I'm not saying it in a bad way, but that's what I feel about my time in my life. मैं कोई influencer नहीं थी, to be very honest. Although I did collaborations, I did everything. जो मुझे अच्छा लगा मैंने अपनी लाइफ पोस्ट करी. Honestly, nothing fake, nothing exaggerated, nothing just for Instagram. It was everything that I was doing, but still, after a point, it felt like everybody is in some sort of influencer race, what you call it, and I didn't want to be part of it. So I, took a break and took a space away from Instagram to focus more on who I was and what I wanted. So now that I've started filming again, I feel very refreshed, to be very honest. I feel like it's a new life for me, and I feel very lucky that I got this life. And I feel very lucky that I have you guys, because I literally got so many DMs, so many comments. You can just scroll down the previous videos if you feel like checking them out. It's like, I don't know, it's like so much love that I never expected from so many people. Because, um, I was doing nothing so great, but still I received good amount of love. So I thought I should start filming again. Although filming is not the point of my life, but I feel like I should document my life in a way that it also feels relevant to you guys and conveys some good message or some inspiration. I don't know. So yeah, that's it. So it's my birthday in one day and मुझे surprise मिला. I didn't know it was going to be Maldives. I thought it's going to be Dubai or Maldives or Philippines, but I didn't know that it is going to be Maldives. So, हमने flight ली from Mumbai to Maldives and we arrived at the airport. That's when I knew कि हम Maldives जा रहे हैं. और मॉलडीव्स पहुंचते ही ऐसा लगा इट इज़ mesmerizing as it should. Thank you. एंड आई थॉट कि ब्यूटीफुल होगा, बट जब वो आप सच पे एक्सपीरियंस करते हो ना, दैट इज़ अ डिफरेंट फीलिंग. लाइक इट्स लाइक, क्या बोलूँ अभी, मतलब वो एकदम से ऐसा लगता है कि क्या करूँ इस मोमेंट को, लाइक टोटली आप फील करने की कोशिश करते हो. तो जब हम मॉलडीव्स लैंड हुए एंड वहाँ पे एयरपोर्ट से हमें वे आउट मिला, तो वहाँ पे लाइक ग्रीन वाटर देखने के बाद हमें लगा ये कहाँ आ गए. एंड इट इज़ व्हाट इट इज़, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. फिर हमने बोट ली टू आवर होटल. होटल वाले हमें सब कुछ प्रोवाइड कर रहे थे, लाइक द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑल्सो टू द होटल. हमें कुछ खुद से नहीं करना पड़ा. दिस इज़ व्हाट इट इज़ इन मॉलडीव्स. सारी सर्विसेज ये लोग अच्छे से ऑपरेट करते हैं फॉर द टूरिस्ट. ऑल्दो टू थिंग्स जो थोड़ी मुझे अलग लगी अबाउट मॉलडीव्स. फर्स्ट इज़ दैट देयर इज़ नो लिकर ऑन द लैंड ऑफ मॉलडीव्स. ऑल्दो वी हैव ऑप्शंस लाइक लूप होल्स हैं. You have boats like for partying with liquor. वहाँ जाकर आप कुछ डॉलर स्पेंड करके आप पार्टी कर सकते हो. लेकिन ऑन द लैंड ऑफ मॉलडीव्स इटसेल्फ, लाइक इन कैफ़ेज़ नॉर्मली आपको लिकर नहीं मिलेगा. सो दैट्स वन थिंग. ऑल्सो सेकेंड थिंग कि it's little pricey as compared to other places that I've been, like Bali, Thailand, etc. So it's little pricey. It's actually very pricey, but also if you see affordable options, they are also pricey. So that's what I would say, कि आप एक अच्छा बजट फिक्स करके आपको आना होगा to Maldives. And other than that, it's beautiful. Then आज का डे काफ़ी थोड़ा फर्स्ट डे था, तो इट वाज लाइक लिटिल यू नो ऐसे हो जाता है, लाइक फर्स्ट डे बस फ्लो हो जाता है. ऐसा होता है कि लाइक आप पहुँचते हो, यू आर लाइक still jet lagged. I don't know what to call it, but आप बस वो डे go with the flow कर लेते हो. And we met an Australian. She was pretty nice and sweet. We had coffee together. Then हमने boat ली for fishing because we had this activity planned from the hotel itself. $30 for one person. एंड बहुत सारे लोग साथ में गए थे. लाइक देयर वर ऑलमोस्ट 21 पीपल इन दैट बोट फॉर फिशिंग. एंड इट वाज लाइक सनसेट में फिशिंग विद बारबेक्यू थिंग था.
What's better than spending your birthday in Maldives?
सो मैंने तो एक भी लाइक फ़िश नहीं पकड़ी. एंड ऑल्दो देयर वर लाइक अ ग्रुप ऑफ एशियन पीपल एंड या यू कैन. So they were actually a group of Asian people. उन्होंने 3 मछलियाँ पकड़ी. एक बंदी ने लिटरली इतनी बड़ी गोल्डन कलर की फ़िश थी. I don't know what was the name, I'm not sure, but she caught the fish. A guy, he caught 2 fish. And फिर हमने काफ़ी अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया बिकॉज ऑन द बोट यू फील रियली डिफरेंट. यू फील लग्जूरियस, ऑल्दो it's like a simple thing like being in water on the boat, but it's very luxurious on its own. उसके बाद हमने like अच्छा टाइम स्पेंड किया, बहुत ट्राई किया फिशिंग करने का, बहुत ट्राई किया. एंड या दैट्स प्रीटी मच इट. फिर शाम हो गई, अंधेरा हो गया. एंड ऑल्सो दे हैड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फूड एंड ड्रिंक्स, लाइक नॉन अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक्स फॉर अस, ऑल ऑफ अस. सो जब हम सारे 21 पीपल वी गॉट ऑफ द बोट, वी वेंट टू अ कैफेटेरिया जहाँ पे वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री फूड मिलने वाला था. एंड वी हैड, शाम हो गई थी, पूरा अंधेरा हो गया था. देन वी वर डन, लाइक done for the day. And right now I'm here just walking around the streets of Maldives. And कल का डे देखते क्या होता है in Maldives. It's my birthday tomorrow midnight. That means like 12 बजे मेरा बर्थडे हो जाएगा, तो we might go for a party. I'll show you everything. And yeah, and also for the past 9 months ऐसा लगा कि I learned so many things, so many different aspects of life, and I'm so grateful. मैं वो सारी चीज़ें शेयर करूँगी, सब कुछ शेयर करूँगी as I used to. And because I want to document it also as an experience. Also, एक experience share करने से क्या होता है, people also see and learn maybe. So that's it. Bye.